Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oyinka, and if it's your first time stopping by, you darling are most definitely welcome. Now in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little watch review, and this one is my smartwatch. It has helped me so much with my weight loss journey. Like you guys know, I recently embarked on a weight loss journey, and child, when I tell you that this watch has done so much for me, I just had to come on here and tell you guys about it, because you guys know that this isn't the type of video that I normally do, but you trust me to always bring you premium quality content and anything that will make your lives easier. And I believe that this watch right here is about to change the game for you. Now the watch that I'm talking about is, drum roll please, it is the Samsung Galaxy Active Watch 2. Now I have been using this watch for about 3 months and I absolutely love it. Yes, I know you guys should have seen this coming, because if you've been watching my vlogs a lot recently, then you would have seen me use this watch a good number of times. And trust me, I don't promote rubbish. Do you get, like, this video is not even sponsored by Samsung. Let me even just say this in the first place, it's not sponsored by Samsung, but I'm enjoying this watch too much. Like, I just thought to myself, if I don't come and tell you guys about this watch, then there's an actual problem, because I'm just being stingy. Do you know, I'm just hoarding information to myself, and I'm not trying to be that person on this channel. Do you know what I mean? So let's dive deep into the specs of this watch. So this is what the box of the watch looks like. It is such a simple and compact box, and it comes with the watch inside and the wireless charger that you would use to subsequently charge the watch, and it just has the specs of the watch written on the sides of the box. It's pretty basic, pretty straight to the point, no long talking as per that. Now let's have a quick look at the face of the watch. Like you can see, I have a few scratches on the face of the watch, and that's because I've been using the watch for about 3 months and I haven't really been the most careful with the watch, so there is that. But you can see my screensaver on the watch, and it's absolutely customizable. Like you can change it to whatever you want that suits your mood. Amazing, right? On one side of the watch you can see these two buttons, which are the home button and the back button, and you can see the speaker, so you can actually take your phone calls with this watch and like set alarms and all. And on the back, that is the panel for you to charge the watch with the wireless charger that it comes with. One thing that I particularly love about this watch is the fact that the strap is replaceable. So guys, you can actually change the strap if you don't like that one anymore. You can always buy new straps that you want to use and replace them every time that you feel like you want to like change up your look or something like that. So now let's talk about how it helps with your weight loss journey, because that is why we are here. Now as you can see, it counts how many calories you've burnt in a day, how many minutes of the day that you've been working out for, and how much you've been active throughout the day. Now you can see right here that it shows your activity level, your workout level, and how much you moved throughout the day. And you can see that it also tells me the goals that I have met for that week. It also helps to record your workout, your running, cycling, swimming, and so much more. It has a lot of options that you can choose from, and it helps to measure your blood pressure, because health is wealth. You need to be sure that your blood pressure is good. Now what I particularly love about this is the fact that there's a disclaimer that says you should not change your medications based off of the reading of the watch. So you definitely want to see your doctor if you notice anything abnormal. You can also record your ECG, and an ECG is essentially the electrical activity of your heart. But this watch does not look for signs of a heart attack. Okay, it's just essentially checking for if your heart is beating normally and regularly. That is what it's checking for. But again, there's a disclaimer that says that the app never looks for heart attack. It's just checking for your pulse rate, that's your heartbeat rate, how fast your heart beats, and checking if it is beating regularly, basically. So if you notice anything abnormal as per that, then you definitely want to see your doctor, who would conduct a full 12 lead ECG on you and then tell you what to do. Another feature that really impresses me is the fact that it can check for women's health. You guys, so if you're like trying to prevent pregnancy or get pregnant, It can tell you when your predicted fertile period is supposed to be and when you should be engaging in intercourse if you want to get pregnant or otherwise, and then how much water you should be drinking, your stress levels, exercise, everything essentially. So it's like an all-encompassing health watch. It is also Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. It also has a really cool touch light as well, so you can use that feature just as you can see there if you're like in a place that needs some extra light. As bright as it doesn't seem, it's actually bright in a really dark space. So yeah. Another real cool feature is that if you've been sedentary for a while, it tells you to try standing up, to, you know, have some stretches, or better still, you can take a walk, you know, just to make sure that you don't stay sedentary throughout extended periods and you are mobile at least every hour that you're awake. Something else that blows my mind about this watch really is the fact that if you fall down, right, as long as you enable it, let's say for whatever reason you fall, it's going to send a notification to another phone which you would have enabled, which may be your friend's phone, your husband's phone, anybody's phone, to let them know that you are not okay. It also has this really cool feature that you can also send an SOS if you are ever in trouble. So you guys, the best part about this watch that I really like is the fact that it is a lightweight. Now I have the aluminum design, and you guys must have seen me wearing this in almost all my videos. This is the aluminum design, and I got the rose pink color. I absolutely love it. I used to have the black, but my husband took that color, so now I have the rose pink color, and it is so beautiful. It's also Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled, as well as GPS, and it has an advanced auto fitness tracker and running coach. So this in particular is so helpful for me, especially because I'm trying to, you know, stay fit and walk more often and all of that. So this really gets the job done, and I'm super happy about that. The package comes with the watch itself as well as a wireless charger, so all you have to do is literally just put the watch on top of the charger, and there you have it. It starts to charge your watch, and once the watch is full, it can literally last you 2 whole days without you having to charge it, which is super amazing because the battery life is really long lasting. And if you are a Samsung user like me, you can always use your phone to charge your watch, like I'm demonstrating there. There's this wireless charging feature that the phone has, so you can see me using my phone to charge my watch. So if you ever need your watch to be up and running and you have some extra battery life, then there you have it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed, and hit that subscribe button down below to join this family. And guys, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.